Okay, as you can see, we have plenty of snow. And this is snow in the Dallas area. The most snow we've had since record keeping. What is that all about? What's this with the global warming? Then yesterday, the New York Times, on their front page, had a story saying this is a result of global warming. So I guess according to the New York Times and the Al Gore types, when the Ice Age started, that was a result of global warming. And when the Ice Age started to melt, that was a result of global cooling. Yeah! Okay, we'll see you. God bless you. God bless America. And God bless the nation you happen to be in. See ya.
We are springing to the call for 300,000 more, shouting the battle cry of freedom, and we'll fill the vacant ranks of our brothers long before.